In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix. Whether you're setting up a one-page website or simply want to improve navigation for your visitors, linking menu items to specific sections on your page can be an incredibly helpful feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to guide your users to the right content with just a click. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step, making it easy to follow along, even if you're new to Wix. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once your site is loaded, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical toolbar, and within that toolbar, there's an icon that looks like a little page. Go ahead and click on that. This is the page menu, and it's where you can manage all the pages on your website. Now, from here, you'll need to select the specific page that contains the menu item you want to link to an anchor. If you have multiple pages on your site, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one. Once you've found it, click on the page to open its settings. This step is important because it's where we'll start to configure the link. After opening the page settings, look for an option that says Change Link. It's usually pretty easy to spot and should be labeled clearly. Click on this option to bring up the Link Settings dialog. This is where the actual linking process begins. In the Link Settings dialog, you'll see a variety of options for linking. You'll want to select the one labeled Section or Anchor. This option allows you to tie your menu item to a specific part of the page, ensuring that users are taken directly to the content they're looking for when they click on the menu item. If you've already created anchors or sections on your page, you'll see a list of them here. Simply choose the one you want to link to. However, if you don't see any anchors listed, don't worry. You can easily create a new one. All you have to do is click on the Add New Anchor button. When adding a new anchor, it's a good idea to give it a descriptive title. This will help you stay organized, especially if you plan to add more anchors in the future. For example, if the anchor is for a section about your services, you could name it Services or something similar. The goal is to make it clear and easy to identify. Next, you'll have the option to edit the anchor URL suffix. This part is optional, but it can be useful if you want the anchor URL to align with your overall site structure. For instance, if your site follows a specific naming convention, you can adjust the suffix to match. Once you're satisfied with the name and URL, you're ready to move on. The final step is to save your changes. This is a crucial step as it ensures that your new link is active and functional. Once saved, your menu item will now be linked to the anchor you selected or created. To confirm everything's working as expected, you can preview your site and test the menu item. If it jumps to the correct section, congratulations, you've successfully linked a menu item to an anchor. And that's all there is to it. Linking menu items to anchors on Wix is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your site's navigation and improve the user experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.